Alright, we're back, lesson 2 on the beginners. Today we're going to be triggering the loop pinchers. When I hold my hand like this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be working with 2 pads. So let's jump right into it. So go ahead and open up the kit that you downloaded from the site. And we're going to go to carpet punch, and I'm going to put that on pad 1. And also put your full level on too as well, so you're not straining your wrist. What's going to happen now is you're going to go ahead and put roll call on pad 5. If you do decide to do it a different way, just make sure you keep your 2 pads close together, because the main thing is this is the pinchers. Roll call, I set that to 85 BPM. So go to your BPM and set that to 85. So the goal today is triggering the kick and the loop at the same time. That's going to get you to doing mean intros. That's going to get you to transitions. But this is just the main meat of it, to opening to bigger things. So let's go ahead and start it off. So we're just going to do a couple exercises. Very simple, but you saw how effective that is. That's how you get the... That's that. Definitely follow along. This time, I'm going to make it a little bit easier. That's 2. Definitely practice that one. Very simple, but very effective, because that's what's going to get you to opening up on a whole lot of other things. So we'll do another one. Switch. These are going to get you with finding different pockets, hitting the one at different times, but the nice thing, you have that control. That's the goal. That's what we're going to get at. With you practicing that, you're going to be doing that in no time. We'll do one more before we go. Practice that. Not only is that going to set you up for the lessons in the future, but it's just going to get you cold and nasty by itself. So I'm excited about lesson 3. I got some definitely in store for you. I appreciate you guys joining. Keep practicing. I love that you guys are taking this serious. The more that you guys take it serious, the more I'm going to take it serious for you guys. So let's rock. I see you on lesson 3. Let's get it.